Jake, sometimes I feel like my English words are stuck in my throat. I can think, but I can't speak.
That's a very common problem, Sue. Don't worry, we'll fix that together. Speaking English is not magic. It's just practice and confidence.
Then I'm ready to learn. Teach me how to really speak.
Deal. Let's make you fall in love with your voice.
You know, Jake, every time I try to speak English, I feel nervous. My heart beats so fast.
That's called speaking anxiety. Everyone feels it at first.
I think people will laugh at me if I make a mistake.
Mistakes are part of learning. The more you speak, the faster you learn.
But I feel embarrassed.
Then let's change how you think. When you speak, focus on communicating, not being perfect.
So it's okay to make mistakes?
Not just okay, it's necessary. Every mistake is progress.
That makes me feel better already.
Good. Remember, confidence grows when you speak, not when you stay silent.
But sometimes I can't find the right words when I speak.
That's because you're not hearing enough English. Listening builds speaking.
Really?
Yes. Listen every day. Songs, short videos, or English podcasts.
But I don't understand everything.
You don't need to. Just listen for rhythm, sound, and emotion.
Rhythm?
Yeah. English has music. Try to feel the flow, not just words.
So I should dance with my ears?
Exactly. Listening helps your mouth remember what your ears hear.
Okay, so I'll listen more and not panic when I don't understand.
Perfect. Listening is like feeding your speaking skill.
When I speak, I always translate from my language first. That's slow.
That's normal, but it's time to start thinking in English.
Thinking in English?
Yes. Start small. For example, when you see a cup, think, "This is my cup."
Like I am walking to school.
Exactly. Talk to yourself in your head.
Isn't that weird?
Only if you answer too loudly. But seriously, it helps your brain switch languages faster.
So more self-talk in English.
Right. Make English part of your daily thoughts. Now, let's talk about a great practice method, the mirror technique.
Mirror technique.
Yes, stand in front of a mirror and talk to yourself. Watch your mouth, your eyes, your body language.
Oh, like acting.
Exactly. It helps with pronunciation and confidence.
But I'll look funny.
Everyone does, but it works. Try greeting yourself. Hi, Sue. How are you today?
Hi, Sue. You look sleepy.
Perfect. See, you're already speaking more naturally.
Okay, I'll try that every morning.
That's the spirit. You'll soon love your English face.
What's another way to practice speaking alone?
Try shadowing.
Shadowing?
Yes. You listen to a short English clip and repeat what you hear immediately, like a shadow following a person.
Oh, that sounds hard.
It's okay to be slow at first. The goal is to copy pronunciation, tone, and emotion.
So I just repeat everything?
Yes, you can use movie scenes, podcasts, or YouTube clips.
I think I'll try with a Disney movie.
Great idea. Fun plus learning equals faster improvement.
I'll shadow Elsa singing Let It Go.
That's confidence training and singing class together.
Jake, how do I make sure I practice every day? I'm not good at routines.
Let's build a daily speaking plan.
Okay, tell me.
Step 1, morning, 5 minutes of mirror talk. Step 2, afternoon, listen and shadow one short clip. Step 3, evening, record your voice for 1 minute.
Record my voice? Oh no, I hate my voice.
Everyone does it first, but it helps you hear mistakes and progress.
So I'll talk about my day?
Perfect. Just say, "Today I went to work. I felt happy because."
That's simple enough.
The goal is habit, not perfection.
I can do that.
I know you can.
I feel shy talking to people in English.
Try small conversations first. Say hello to classmates or shopkeepers.
But what if they don't understand me?
Then smile and try again. Communication is about connection, not perfect grammar.
That's hard, but true.
Also, find a speaking partner, a friend or language buddy.
Like you?
I'd be honored. But you can also join online language groups.
That sounds fun.
The more you speak, the more natural it becomes.
I run out of words sometimes. Then my brain just stops.
That's normal. Let's fix it by growing your vocabulary the smart way.
Smart way?
Yes. Learn phrases, not just single words.
Phrases?
For example, instead of learning hungry, learn I'm starving or let's grab a bite.
Oh, that sounds more real.
Exactly. English speakers use phrases in daily life.
So I should learn how's it going? Instead of just how.
Perfect. You'll sound more natural and confident.
I like that. It feels alive. Jake, people say my pronunciation sounds strange.
That's okay. English pronunciation takes time. Let's work on stress and rhythm.
Stress?
Not the scary kind. In English, some words are stronger. For example, I love coffee.
Oh, I see. I love coffee.
Perfect. Feel the music in the sentence.
Music again.
Yes, English is like a song. Short sounds, long sounds, up and down tones.
So speaking English is like singing.
Exactly. The more rhythm you feel, the clearer you sound.
You know, Jake, I actually feel braver now.
That's wonderful. What changed?
I realized I don't need to be perfect. I just need to try.
That's the key. Confidence comes from action, not waiting.
I'll practice mirror talk, shadowing, and daily recording.
And remember, always speak from your heart. People feel your energy more than your grammar.
Thank you, Jake. You really helped me find my voice.
You always had it, Sue. You just needed to hear it.
Then let's go order in English. My treat.
Spoken like a real English speaker.